Hi, this is Taylor from Summit RV. I'm out here taking a look at the new Cougar 26 RKS that we got in just a few days ago. This is a great couples camper here. Has theater seats, outside kitchen, rear kitchen space for prep, and then you also have a king bed in this as well. We'll take a look at the inside first, and then we'll take a nice look at the outside in a little bit. All right, so let's head inside. So now as we make it inside, you can see why I'm saying this is a great couples camper. It has your theater seating and your booth dinette on the slide, and then right across from that theater seating you have your TV, which is huge, and then a electric fireplace space heater below. So you can use that space heater when you don't want to waste propane, just to keep the trailer warm. But around this TV, look at all these cabinets you have. Plenty of storage space. Even has a little cabinet to the right of it with a little desk on top. But over in this cabinet here, this is like a coat closet here. Has your hanging rack there to put your coats. But then just plenty of storage on the top above the TV, and then more below as well. But what people don't realize when they look at this TV, right behind the TV is more storage. It's not just the TV here. It does have storage behind it, which is really nice. So right behind the TV you have a large place to put some storage. And then that has the TV on a really long swing arm, so you can watch it anywhere here in the kitchen, or in the living room. You can watch it at the dinette or the theater seats, obviously. But that's just a really nice storage spot that a lot of people don't notice as soon as they walk in it. Like I was saying, you can sleep somebody else in this with your booth dinette, so you can fold this down, sleep another person for sure. Really nice LED lights on these Cougars. You got plenty of them too. It's very bright in here, but you can also dim the lights. It has a dimmer on it now, which is something that's really catching on. So you can bring those lights down, bring them back up, stop them anywhere in between. Obviously turn them off and on too. Really large windows in the Cougar. Oversized, really. They're huge windows here, and nice windows on the sides of the slides too, which do open up as well for getting a nice cross breeze. Back here, it is called a rear kitchen, so this is your rear kitchen. Has a nice amount of counter space when you put those sink covers on, and then an 8 cubic foot fridge back here, not your standard 6. So this is your gas and electric 8 cubic foot fridge. The new Furrion range, which does have the light in the oven, and it lights itself. The pilot light lights itself. You don't have to put a match or lighter back there. You do have a power outlet right there by the sink, so you can put like a coffee pot or something like that. Your faucet has the extendable hose, and then it is a undermount sink. This is a stainless steel sink as well. Well, let's take a look at the bedroom next, and then we'll take a look at the bathroom. I don't know if you can tell very well on this video, but this is a vaulted ceiling. Just gives you some more headroom when you're in the camper, rather than having a flat ceiling. Gives it a nice open feel. Yeah, we'll check out the bedroom here. This is a king bed in your Cougar travel trailer. 70 by 80 king bed. So that's something that really stands out with the Cougar. Most you're seeing a queen bed on your travel trailers. But you have 2 spots to hang clothes, one on each side of the bed. Then also cabinets above for some more storage up here. What you're seeing right here, this is your front windshield, and I have the roller shade pulled down right now, and it can pull down a little further as well, but let me roll that back up, and now you see your front windshield. So you can see out, but people can't see in. This is a really tinted windshield on it, so it's great. You can see outside of your camper. Hopefully you're seeing a nice view, and nobody else is going to be able to look in. Down below, you have some side nightstands, which is really nice with the king bed. You're still getting your side nightstands, and that's an electrical outlet right there. You also have another electrical outlet on the other side of the bed with the nightstand as well. And this one has USB ports right beside it, which a lot of people are using to plug in their phones and things like that. Almost forgot to mention, on this trailer, this is 50 amp service. So we have 1 AC on it right now, which is probably plenty for this size. One 15,000 BTU air conditioner. But up here, has a little spot where you could install a second air conditioner on this, since it is 50 amp service. And with that, you'd be ready to go camping in just about any weather, you know. Even when it's getting up there into the 90s, close to 100, with two ACs, you're going to be looking good. In the bedroom, you have a second door. So this door provides access. You know, if you got your slides in, you're going to be able to get to your bedroom storage easily. Underneath your bed, it is on some struts, so you don't have to hold this bed up by yourself. And you got your separated storage space down below. And right here, of course, you do have a place you can mount a TV and watch either some satellite or cable. Now we'll head into the bathroom. This is your bathroom on the 26 RKS. Has a nice big medicine cabinet. Not just a mirror. You do have a place to store your toothbrush and different things like that. Nice large sink with plenty of counter space in the bathroom. This is a single piece countertop also. It's not anything that's molded that could come apart. Down below, you have a little bit more storage down below if you need it. You have your porcelain Dometic toilet on this one. Most people are loving the porcelain toilets nowadays instead of the plastic. Let me turn on the lights in here. It has a few hangers here. I guess put some towels, things like that in the bathroom. Then up here you do have a vent fan as well. In the shower here you have a skylight above, so you got plenty of headroom, even when you've got a pretty tall person in there. And then you can lock this up when you're going down the road. Just latch that on there and you'll be nice and secure. Over here you got plenty of space for your towels and things. So you got nice storage in the bathroom on this 26 RKS. And now we'll head back outside and look at the features that you got on the 26 RKS on the outside. Did want to mention this light switch here does kick on and off all your ceiling lights. Then your slide lights are on a separate light switch. Your new Cougars have an in-command system. What is this? This is a electronic system that can control your slides and lights, things like that. You can do it all on here, or you can connect your phone, and you can do this with your phone instead of having to run the slides and things on the inside. You can walk around the outside, make sure you got plenty of space to put your slides, your awning, things like that out without having to stay inside and wonder if you got enough space or run back and forth. Yeah, here on the outside, I did want to mention your new Cougars are 0 to 100 degree rated. So this means it's going to be great in all types of weather, but just on a normal day, you're going to be well insulated, be able to cool it better, be able to keep it warm when you need it in the cold months. Of course, you have a power awning on the outside and LED lights underneath. This does have that outside kitchen that we talked about. Your storage doors are on those slam latches with magnetic door catches up above here. And then you got nice storage underneath. Right here you can see your aluminum frame construction as well. You have a motion sensor light in your storage area here. And then what this is your in-command system. So this is where you can pop this off, screw it off, and you'll see all the guts behind the in-command. And you can use this if you ever need to manually override your in-command system. That's where you would do it and get your slides and awnings and things like that moved. Up here you got a power tongue jack with two 30-pound tanks. And look at that front cap, big windshield up front with LED lights. Over on the other storage side we have some controls for your electric jacks. This does have your electric jacks on it. And then something cool about the Cougar travel trailer, you got heated holding tanks. You just don't see that much on trailers nowadays, but this is going to have heaters on your holding tanks just to keep them a little bit warmer, keep them from freezing up in the cold. Over here you have a spot for solar connection, and then here's your docking station where you can have your outside shower, black tank flush, all the things you're looking for in a trailer like this. Here on the back, this is where you connect your electrical hose. Great place to have it right there on the rear, where a lot of campgrounds are going to have your electric hookup real close by. On the back of your Cougar you do have a ladder, and that is a fully walkable roof on your Cougar travel trailer. And a lot of people don't mention this as well. You can also walk on the slides. They do rate them for that as well. But ladder on the back, Furrion backup observation camera prep already ready up there, so if you're planning on towing it long distances, maybe you want to be able to see what's behind you while you're going down the road, that's a great thing to add onto your trailer. On the back here, this is where you can hook in your cable and satellite hookups right behind there. You have a spare tire on your Keystone Cougars as well. Down here's an accessory hitch. This is somewhere you can put a bike rack, cargo rack, something like that. That about wraps it up for the Cougar 26 RKS. I hope you guys liked what you saw, and we are getting Cougars in. about every few days now, so our Cougars are starting to roll in. They're looking great for this 2019 model year. This is Taylor at Summit RV, and if you have any questions, please give us a call, 606-928-6795, or you can also contact us on our website, summitrv.com. Thank you, guys.